Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited because Irene and Ellie is there behind the camera.
Hello.
And today Irene will be showing some delicious Mizo cuisine. I'm so excited to try and learn.
Yes.
Hi everyone, my name is Irene. So today I will bring up the Mizo Bai, which is very famous in the Mizo cuisine and which is one of the staple cuisine for the Mizo food. So today we will be cooking with the bamboo shoots bai. So the ingredients which we need are, we need fresh bamboo shoots and we need cooking soda, we need pork fat fermented, and we need wild coriander, then green chili and salt. So this will be the basic ingredients which we'll be using for today recipes. So as per the Mizo culture, we can cook different kinds of vegetables as well as the non-veg also with these ingredients. But today we will be cooking the bamboo shoots, which is one of the most famous dishes from the northeast region in the Mizo style. You can pre-boil so that you don't get the this bitter flavor. Sometimes the bamboo shoots also has a bitter flavor. So in order to remove all those things, you can pre-boil and keep it so that you can throw the first water, then you can start cooking as much you like. So that's how you can do the preservations also in the very basic.
You keep it with water, no?
Yes, we
water,
keep it with
only
water.
also.
Yeah, only no salt. We can just put it in the water and put in a dark place.
Okay.
Don't put in the sun
What
because
about
if refrigerator, yeah, the tenderness of these bamboo shoots will go because the ice will eat up. So in that way, don't put inside the refrigerator because all the bamboo shoots will taken by the ice. So the taste will go.
Okay. Mizo dishes free ay mag-new ni ko. Ado ikra ut piyo kra tamjagi ay mangon jang si kau jang ni dui malai. Ado mang in Mizo Bai the same boat ni. And the second dish is also there, na?
Yeah, we have another dish which will be a non-veg. So that will be with the pork head.
Okay.
So we will be preparing the veg and non-veg today with the Mizo style.
Okay. So see the Mizo style gi insang kamay thong bra de tam so start.
So yeah, we'll start. We can cut the bamboo shoot the way how we like it. You can cut it a little bit thinner, or else you can cut it in a little bit thicker way. Depends on how you want to have it.
Irene has put water in this pot and switch on the flame.
And now we have to put the
Soda biker.
soda. Yes, 1 teaspoon is enough.
Okay.
And we will put now the pork fermented. Yeah, 1 tablespoon. Then let it boil.
Kasi pork fat ni ko kasi pwede na mo ni ferment tawraga kasi mo Mizoram special ne.
And you can put the salt also. Now
Okay.
it's there. So when the water is cool, we have to put all the ingredients. Then once it is boiled, then we put the bamboo shoots and all the ingredients. Then we have to start.
Very new, ne? For us, always put in hot water.
That's
Yeah.
what we always wait for the water to boil.
Yeah.
Can put the chili now when the water is a little bit hot.
You can see now the water has turned white.
Yeah. So now after we boil with that cooking soda and with the fermented pork fat, so the bubble will come like this. Now we can add the bamboo shoots.
Achha, once it starts boiling, then
Yes.
you can put.
So now our bamboo shoots cooking is going on now.
That's it. No ginger, no garlic.
No, we don't need to put ginger or garlic.
Oh.
When we are about to put off the flame, we'll just put the wild coriander leaf just for 2-3 minutes boil. Then that's fine because that will give the flavors.
Okay.
That's so basic, very simple.
Yeah, very easy. So cook in low flame
Yes.
and until done.
Yes.
Around 30 minutes.
Yeah,
we cook
30
it.
minutes you can cook.
Alright. Howji, I 30 minutes kumu thong rage. Ajoga yarani last padigom habla. And so no, don't put the lid.
Yeah.
Cook it like this. As it is makum habro, makum habro di pa thagni ko. Adi mukum haptana 30 minutes hap thongmiyo. This is after 15 minutes of cooking. Even the gravy has turned into this orange color, no?
Yes.
Oh wow.
That is because of the combination of the pork fats and the cooking soda.
Oh.
If it is only cooking soda without the fermented pork fats, then the color cannot come like this.
Acha. Oh.
So they need a combination of.
Okay.
That is the actual goal of the bai. Yes, the bai is cooked now. Then we will put the wild coriander for the last covering of the flavor.
Okay. It will give a nice coriander smell. No?
Yes.
This is our next dish.
So this is the pork head which we will be cooking today. First, this pork head was being washed. Now we will be roasting in the fire for a while.
Okay.
So then after that, we will do the process because we will need other ingredients. These ingredients will be required. This is a white sesame seed. Okay. So these we will roast and we also will grind it. After that, we will mix it with this one. So, you want a spice? You can put chili flakes also, or else you can put green chili cuts, small one, so that you can get the aromas of the freshness and all these things.
You don't put garlic, no?
No, we don't put garlic. So you can use, instead of garlic, you can use ginger, slice into small pieces, and or onions, or else any over that addition also you can put coriander leaves also. So now we will put in the fire. So now you just roast the pork head.
Howzik si lauri kre lau thok pa na fat su thok pa do manam se hau na. We are roasting on low flame.
This to bring the flavor of the pork.
You have put roasted pork here.
Yes, roasted pork, and I put little water to steam it the pork. So now we will cook until it is well done. Then we will take the pork after this.
First we are pressure cooking the pork head for until it's cooked, na?
Yes. 4-5 whistles.
4-5 whistles. It will take 15-20 minutes, na?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's see.
Yeah, the pork is cooked, and Ellie will chop it up into bite-sized pieces. How many?
How many?
How much is the kg? Madi me madi idama kon. Onion, ginger, and green chilies, no?
Mix it up.
Di para singzu ni apa kita type ni? I think namak. Oh, namak
is there.
It's healthy, delicious pork head salad.
Next time we'll cook that gravy type.
Today is dry time.
Yeah. This is the Mizo by Yummy pork head salad and Woklu ball. Yummy, look at that. And we have got simple boiled beans. So now we'll enjoy all these delicious Mizo dishes.
Yes.
Haurage chaba
Horse.
Yeah, I wonder. Bai. Because I'm so excited to try this bai. Yeah, it's very new for me and different.
Let me
Yeah.
try.
Different recipe.
Nothing.
Yeah.
It's just simple.
Only 6 ingredients.
Yeah, correct.
Hore usoy.
Wow.
This is the vegetarian pie. Next
It's
time we
very
will.
tasty.
Yeah.
Yummy. You can taste that bamboo shoot flavor,
Yes,
na?
flavor.
It's not bitter.
No, it's not bitter. Because we kill the bitter, no? Bitterness. In Arunachali also they call it pilaki something.
Acha, so that one.
That same thing. Very similar.
Mun hei simple hoy. Te ko abo di ba? Yours is more simpler.
And how,
Hey, what about this?
I'm taking.
yeah, it's so, and how do you say it's very tasty in Mizo?
Give me that.
Actually, the tuk.
Feel it again. Super delicious.
Simple and vibrant, no?
Correct. Yeah. Less ingredients.
Yeah. Basic only this.
And very, she did it so fast also.
Yeah. Original is always better.
That's why Northeast food is always authentic, no? In that way.
Correct.
Just ginger, garlic, or some boiled coriander, some herbs. Finish. That's all.
We mainly focus on fresh ingredients
Yes.
and try to bring out its naturally taste.
Our ngari is basically with the Ilish fish, but they
it's
are
very tasty.
Your ngari is a small different species, but we
Yeah,
are using
okay.
the Ilish fish
Yeah.
ngari, no?
This is very expensive. Right?
Yeah, very expensive and delicious.
You like it?
Yeah, I love it.
Okay. And the smell also is
I also
more
love
stronger,
it.
no?
Yeah, everybody keep watching for Nordic dishes, and you get to see lots of interesting dishes and all.
Simple and tasty.
Yeah, simple and tasty. And that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Yeah, bye.
Bye. Thank you.